Hey guys, I'm gonna go through calorie needs and how many calories you should be eating. So I'm gonna show you how to calculate the number of calories you should be eating and basically the math behind it all. All right, so check this out. I'm using a sample female, and therefore we're gonna be using the female's equation, just because I think we'll probably have more females watching this. All right, so the black is the equation, the green is the sample female's information that I've inserted into the equation. So here we've got these numbers. This is the equation up here for basal metabolic rate. Basal metabolic rate is simply the amount of calories it takes for your body to sustain itself and to stay alive and to fully function on a daily basis. We don't want to go below our basal metabolic rate, at least not regularly. Very rarely should you be going below that number. All right, so I've entered in her weight here, and I've entered in her height in inches. 5'6" would be 66 inches, and her age at 32. So just a sample female, run-of-the-mill, average lady. All right, now if I do this math right here, I get 587. So I'm gonna enter it here. I do this math here, I'm gonna get 310. And then after I've done that math over here, I get 150. So follow me here, I'm just taking the next step in the equation. 655 plus that, minus that, equals a basal metabolic rate of 1402. So 1400 calories just to stay alive and function to exist. So make sure you're keeping yourself at 1400 calories or more if you are similar to this lady. In case you are not following those same exact stats, you might want to do this equation on your own. All right, so it doesn't stop there though. There's more to life than just existing and physiologically behaving. You know, it's you actually get up and you go to your car and you come back, you move, you have physical activity as well. Some of you may work out, you may work out a lot, or you're an athlete and you work out tons, right? So therefore, the next step of the equation, TEA stands for thermic effect of activity. So here we've got 1.2. If you're very sedentary, you do get up and go to the fridge or the bathroom or the car and come back. That would be a 1.2 factor. Here, of course, we've got moderate at 1.5, and we've got athletic. You actually participate in athletics regularly, 1.9. All right, so I'm gonna insert a moderate level of activity right here. That's gonna be about 3 to 4 days of moderate level exercise per week. All right, so I'm gonna go with 1.55 right there. That's the moderate level again, times 1402, which is the basal metabolic rate, means this person is going to burn about 2,173 calories per day. That is her break-even number. So what I mean by break-even is if you eat above that, theoretically she's going to gain weight. Eat below that, then she's going to lose weight. If her metabolism is still fully functioning, that is, if she hasn't slowed things down. And I say that because tons of people have, unfortunately. And so I can help reverse that. Of course, that is for another video though. All right, so let's say this person wants to lose weight. I'm gonna subtract 500 calories per day as a general rule of thumb in order to lose 1 pound per week. So that means she's gonna have 1,673 calories per day to lose 1 pound per week. That's amazing, right? Most people are eating way less than that and finding that they're struggling to lose weight. Well, this should be the spot to be for this female. And not always, because if you just stay the same, then your body's going to get used to that and get stuck and plateau. So you'll want to manipulate that differently over time, but this is a nice spot to like hone in on and like get comfortable with what that feels like right there for just a short period of time. All right, so remember, it's not about eating less always. If you check in and find you're eating less than this and you're similar to this female, it's time we bump those calories up. It's time you work on dialing in your nutrition, because just going harder by eating less isn't the answer. And that's why people get stuck. This is the secret that most people don't tell you or just don't understand. So please feel free to ask questions if you have any. Try this out yourself and let us know how it goes.